I know you've seen these around and probably thought it's another Tesla Model Y, but don't let the exterior fool you. This right here is a Model X and it's a whole different animal. From the Falcon wing doors to its insane performance, we're about to see why this SUV is in its own league. Ready to feel the difference? Let's take it for a drive. Let's start up with the acceleration. The all-wheel drive version hits from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. Now, if you really want a thrill, the plate version does it in just 2.5 seconds. Range is key for an electric vehicle. The all-wheel drive gives you up to 335 miles, and the plaid version gives you a range from 300 to 326 miles, depending on your wheels. As for top speed for the all-wheel drive is 155, plaid 163. Now that's some serious performance. Standard all-wheel drive uses a dual motor setup, perfect for tough road conditions. But the plaid goes a step further with tri-motor system, giving you even more power and precision. Let's talk storage, because the Model X isn't just about performance, it's super practical too. You get up to 92 cubic feet of cargo space, including the front trunk, which can fit a full-size carry-on. And if you still need more, the rear seats fold flat with a push of a button. Whether you're packing for the road trip or just running your daily errand, this car will be able to handle it. And for those with a more active lifestyle, the Model X comes with an included tow package, a high-strength Class 2 steel tow bar that can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Whether it's a trailer, boat, or even a camper, this SUV is ready for it.
And then I'm going reverse. So let's reverse.
What did you say when you got in?
I freaking love this car so much.
You haven't drove it yet.
No, but I love what it looks like, the style. And then oh my god, let's go. Electric cars. I can't even see my mirrors. It's okay because I got wow. I love this car.
The coolest safety features on the Model X is sensory mode. It's like having a 360-degree security camera system for your car. When you leave it parked, the external cameras are continuously monitoring the surroundings. If anything suspicious happens, the car goes into standby. Just like a home alarm, it records everything, so you can have a peace of mind wherever you are. And let's talk about the sky window. It has an incredible panoramic roof that feels like the entire ceiling is made out of glass. So whether you're driving through the city or cruising down the highway. And another feature, doors are fully automatic. As soon as you walk up with your phone, the front doors open on their own. No handles, no hassle. And when you're ready to go, just tap on the brake and close the driver's door. The best thing about Tesla is you can control everything about the car with your Tesla app. So whether you want insane acceleration or impressive range, the Model X has you covered. Let me know in the comments, what would you go for? The all-wheel drive or the plaid?
I love this. I love how it just opens up. It makes me feel like I'm in a convertible.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Cybertruck review.